And introducing first, she's representing the ladies here tonight. She is an avid motorsports enthusiast who is following a plan and quarterback of the Certified Motorsports team for her first full-time season here in 2024. And she loves nothing more than strapped on the helmet, beating up on the boys, proving that girls can be pretty and play dirty too. She has resurrected the name of one of the most iconic female-driven monster trucks from the early 2000s. It's a sick-looking Chevy Silverado from the Lone Star State. Ladies, get those pink checker flags in the air for Athena Cozell. She's Little Miss Dangerous. And this icon of the sport is no doubt a future Monster Truck Hall of Famer. He's piloted over 40 different monster trucks over his 20-year career across the world, including the iconic Gravedigger. Now he's back to his roots, competing for a brand new team alongside his son. It's a brand new truck top to bottom for the 2024 tour. From Arlington, Vermont, give it up for the icon, Papa Zimmer, and the Dunkin' Donuts uproar! The next driver is undoubtedly one of the fastest rising stars in the entire industry. He grew up watching his father pilot monster trucks all across the globe. Now he's creating his own path and his own identity as he rockets through the monster truck world. Part of the brand new Syndicate Motorsports team for 2024, competing alongside his father in his sick old school wheelies. From Poplar Branch, North Carolina, get your hands together for last night's overall event champion and the 2024 Monster Masters champion, Little Johnny Terminal Velocity! With a brand new monster truck toy that's available over at the merchandise stand. I want you guys to scream for Cameron Tweedy, Carolina Crusher! And last but not least, with over 20 years of monster trucking, and he first saw Bigfoot crush cars right here in this very field over 30 years ago, chasing his dream and inspiring everyone here tonight. Also from Jonesboro, Illinois, right across the river, it's Hot Rod Tweedy, USA #1! Race fans, all-star fans, I'm asking you to please rise. Incredible. 2 trucks to close out Camp G here from the All-Star Monster Trucks. Anybody down there in the end zone, let's have you just come on down this way. That is the end of our show. We'll have you come on down this way. If you need to walk down this walkway, we're going to have you kindly be respectful.